How to make sticky sesame chicken. Ingredients. For the chicken: 1.5 pounds, 680 g, boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1/2 cup cornstarch. Salt and pepper, to taste. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, for frying. For the sauce: 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste. 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, toasted, for garnish. Sliced green onions, for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the chicken. In a large bowl, season the chicken pieces with salt and pepper. Add the cornstarch and toss until the chicken is well coated. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the coated chicken pieces in a single layer. Cook for about 3-4 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Remove the cooked chicken from the skillet and set aside on a plate lined with paper towels. Prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, hoisin sauce, honey, sesame oil, minced garlic, grated ginger, and red pepper flakes. Pour the sauce into the skillet that you used to cook the chicken. Cook over medium heat, stirring frequently, until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy, about 2-3 minutes. Combine and serve. Return the cooked chicken to the skillet and toss it in the sauce until well coated. Cook for an additional 1-2 minutes, allowing the chicken to absorb the flavors of the sauce. Once the chicken is coated and heated through, remove the skillet from the heat. Serve. Transfer the sticky sesame chicken to a serving plate. Garnish with toasted sesame seeds and sliced green onions. Cooking time. Preparation: 15 minutes. Cooking chicken: 15 minutes. Making the sauce: 5 minutes. Total cooking time: approximately 35 minutes. Serving size. This recipe serves about 4 people. Enjoy your delicious homemade sticky sesame chicken. Serve it with steamed rice and your favorite vegetables for a complete meal. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment.